Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing another headband wig demo for you guys. I have been obsessed with these headband wigs. They are a godsend, especially in these summer months when it is so hot outside that you do not feel like doing your hair. I am so glad that I have these wigs so I can just put my hair underneath it and get on with what I'm going to do. So today's wig is from ULAHAIR. This is the 24 no lace, no glue headband wig in deep wave. So let's go ahead and get the demo popping. When you get the hair, it comes in this nice little ULAHAIR bag. So if you don't have like a mannequin head or one of those styrofoam heads, then you can just put it back in here and store it. So I do like that because I don't have any type of mannequin heads to hold my wigs. I just put them back in the bag and they're fine. All they need is a little fluff out and they're good to go. When you get your wig, it does have a hairnet on it, so you will have to remove that. And then here is your headband wig. So you have two combs in the front and then two combs in the back. So you get two in the front right here, and then you have two in the back. And then here is the band that you can just snap. It has Velcro on it, so it is super easy to apply, you guys. I am not the greatest when it comes to wigs or lace fronts or anything like that, but these headband wigs, like I said before, are a godsend because anybody can put them on their head and go, especially for somebody like me that I don't know a lot about wigs, but I always wanted to wear wigs, but they did not look right on me. But the headband wigs are perfect. When you order this wig, you do save up to 50% off, and I also have a coupon code. The coupon code will give you an extra $10. So it is BABB, B-A-B-B. And be sure to use the coupon codes when you order. That just saves you some extra money. Before I put that on my head, I'm going to go ahead and apply some gel to my hair. What I did was I just slicked my hair back and I put on a scarf. I'm gonna take some of this Elastic QP, and this is their olive oil and mango butter glaze. And this is just something I do just to secure the edges that are going to be out. So now I'm going to take this deluxe wig cap and I'm just going to put this on my hair. And guys, this is so easy. If I can do it, anybody can just do this. So I'm going to take it like this with holding the two clips and just go ahead and pop that right on the edge. And then I'm going to take the back of it . And this deep wave is so cute. I love it. This is the wig. Child, it's really giving me like kind of 80s hair. It is so cute. I love it. I love it. The hair is so soft. Ooh, baby, baby, baby. This wig looks great. Let's go ahead and try on some of the headbands that they sent. So this is the first one that we are trying on. You guys let me know what you think of the headbands. Pearls on here. It's very colorful. It is super cute. All right, and then we're just going to speed it up through the rest of the headbands because I have like 4 other headbands that I want to try on for you guys. guys, so that was all the headbands, and let's go ahead and style it. Why I love these headband wigs are they are so versatile, you guys. You can wear your hair in a ponytail, high ponytail, low ponytail. You can wear them half up, half down. You can just really style this wig to whatever you like. So you guys know me, I like a half up, half down style. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. You know, I love big hair. This is right up my alley. Like, it is so cute. And this is the length when it's half up, half down. It's like right here. It looks so freaking good. Okay, let me take a quick picture for the gram. This is what I have been looking for. So that's my half up, half down look, girl. I never knew I was a wig girl until these headband wigs came out. Let me know if you guys like these headband wigs, because they are bomb and they are my favorite, and it is just so much to choose from, and you don't have to be skilled to do it. Let's make this a bun. What y'all think? Y'all think a bun is too much? That might be too much. She might not be ready for the bun, girl. She might not be ready for the bun. What y'all think? I don't think she ready for the bun. I don't think she want the bun. Alright, so let's do a ponytail. Also, you can do a low, high up, low, half up, half down, lower style. You don't have to have it like sitting on your head like me, but to me that looks cuter. But you can do what you want. You can put her on the side like this. I think this is cute, wearing it on the side. Do you think this is cute? Because I think it's cute. Alright guys, so if you would like this hair or more information about the hair, everything will be in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. The hair, the link for it is 24 inches. Use coupon code BAB for $10 off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.